Hello, my name is Devesh.
And I am Raja.
We, a team of 6 members, are going to participate in this year's SIH Hackathon. So our PS is from the Ministry of Ayush. Its problem statement ID is 1642 and it describes to build a comprehensive, user-friendly and secure Ayush startup registration portal which should be efficient, transparent and highly accessible to these startup companies. Also, this system should also deal with higher number of registrations.
And our approach is to use innovative and advanced tech stack. Like for front end, we are using Next.js, and for the backend part, we are using Node.js and Express. And for the database, we are using MongoDB. And our website includes main key features. Like for first key features is to use user authentication. Any user authentication, we are ensuring that we are using a role-based authentication using as inscription, and we are providing distinct access for the government officials and for the startups. And second key feature is that application submission. In application submission, we are using a user-friendly interface in which we are using a intuitive navigation, and that in enhancing that startup can easily submit their form. And second is we are using a dynamic form which will be adaptable to all the types of startups, and it's regulated to the requirements.
Okay, so one of the main key features of this project is uploading the documents by the startups. So what we are going to do, we will take the documents from the front end and we will pass it to the back end, and after passing that, so the back end will pass that to a content management system. For that we have decided to use this Strapi, but this can change depending upon the requirement and the usage of the project. So after that we will store the metadata of that CMS place to which we have uploaded the data document, sorry. So after which will be used for retrieving the document again, right? Yes. So the next feature is tracking the status. So after the startup uploads its documents onto the portal, then from another portal, a government employee or an administration employee will check and verify those documents, and this status will be reflected to the user on his portal. Also, if there is anything that the user has to go, or any status of the document, like it is verified or it is declined for so purposes, so that will be emailed to the user directly. Okay.
And our last key feature is the support and resources. In support and resources, we are using a comprehensive support section which includes FAQs and user guidelines and a dedicated help desk. And we are also offering a real-time live chat assistant for the user, and we are integrating a resource library with it to access all the relevant data to the clients.
Okay, so the tech stacks which we listed to you is highly subjective to change depending upon the requirement of our project or on the client. So
in the expected outcome, we are using a reduced registration time, and we are improving the user experience of the iOS startups.
Okay, so the design of the website is highly user friendly and user interactive, so we can improve the user experience for the startups as well as for the administration. And this project is highly scalable. Like if we want to scale this project to a large level, we can use the AWS S3 services or GCP instead of the CMS systems, like I told you, the Strapi one or something like that. And this project leverages the use of the latest technologies like Node, which is highly fast and very I would say less weight for the server. And okay, so here I would like to end our short description about the project.
Yes, and we are concluding it.